And we're walking into some kind of lagoon. I don't know what it is. Might be the Blue Lagoon. Y'all folks right there keeping up with what's going on. Over here on the left, we got a couple of fish over here in the water. Just reach down there and get the big old handful of them. All kind of palm trees, flowers. Look at these purple flowers. Ain't that pretty? And over here's a little waterfall. And somebody wrote on here, "All Jesus." Somebody got us on one of these leaves. And that waterfall is pretty. Oh, yeah. And we're moseying on. Kind of pretty out in here. I don't know what is both. This is stopped in his tracks. I don't know what that is right there either. I guess that's this thing up in front of you on that scooter. Stopped in a track. Okay, now wait a minute. I don't know what this big thing is. Is that a Buddha? Where he cried the tears right there? I don't know what that is. Anybody got any ideas what it is, just leave me a comment down in the comment section.
Here, your drink, it's right here.
Let me have it.
Shoot. I dropped the straw.
Yeah.
I'm going on left here over here.
All right, here we go. We're going over the bridge here. Got a little creek over here on this side. Some more flowers over here. And another waterfall over here. Now look at that. Ain't that pretty? Well, oh, look at these yellow flowers. Now that is pretty. Man, we got a pretty place over here. Waterfall. We're in the Dominican Republic over here in Virginia somewhere. Where was that? And they told me it was the Dominican Republic. And we was on the boat this morning. It kicked us off, so you got to go over and see this place. But okay, we can do that. And this is, I don't know what this is. I thought it was a menu for food, but I don't think that's food. I believe that's something else besides food. Got a skeleton, huh? All right. Okay. And over here's the flags. Must be their country flag. I don't see my USA flag nowhere. They must have made a mistake somewhere. All right. And that's the wife up there. She's leading the way here. Going 120 miles an hour on this scooter. I can't keep up. And over here to your left is that little bit of boat we're on. That little canoe. See that little canoe we're in? It covers 2 or 3 city blocks. That's that little boat. I'm looking for a goanna somewhere, but I ain't seen one yet. I'm gonna turn this off here. It's getting to be kind of dull stuff, so we'll turn it off for a minute.
Hope you enjoyed our video. Please help us grow our channel by hitting the subscribe button, the notification bell, and leave us a comment. And remember, subscribing is free to you. God bless you.